Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need to act now. Confirm your CPU or motherboard provides integrated graphics, then reboot into BIOS and enable the integrated display. Once done, make sure to update BIOS to the latest stable release to avoid compatibility quirks. Next, boot a working system or use a second PC to download chipset and integrated GPU drivers onto a USB stick so you can install them offline. These steps let the system route video without a discrete graphics card and prevent driver mismatches later. With drivers on hand, boot the computer using the motherboard ports, and if needed, enter safe mode to avoid driver conflicts. Install chipset drivers first because they expose PCIe and bus functions. After that, install the integrated GPU driver so the OS recognizes video output properly. Once both are installed, configure display resolution and refresh rate to recommended values. On Linux, update kernel modules and set the correct driver in X11 or Wayland. These actions now optimize and verify. Run light stress tests and play a video to confirm display and decoding work smoothly. Integrated GPUs share system, RAM, so increase UMA or shared memory in BIOS if bandwidth limits cause stutters. Make sure power settings prioritize performance versus power saving when you need full responsiveness. If you see no output, first reset monitor cables and try another port. Then reset CMOS to clear misconfigurations. If problems persist, double-check driver versions and, as a last resort, test with a minimal hardware configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.